Purpose SSAS tabular models convert to pbip only for CSVE, Excel, SQL connections. Let's begin. Older tabular models, BIM files with compatibility level 1500, cannot directly run in the latest Power BI environment, which expects compatibility 1550 and above. Your script is essentially a migration pipeline. It reads an existing BIM model. It converts all the tables, partitions, measures, and relationships into Power BI 1550 compatible format. It saves the new version inside a pbip folder structure, ready for modern Power BI use. Key requirements for conversion. Upgrade compatibility level. From 1200 or 1400 older analysis services to 1550 latest Power BI desktop format. Data sources handling. SQL, Excel, CSV text converted into M Power Query expressions. For unknown sources, script leaves placeholders, source, meters, null to be fixed manually or via AI like ChatGPT. Tables and partitions. Normal tables. Point to their data sources with proper M queries. Calculated tables. Retain their original DAX expressions. Columns. Preserve metadata, data type, summarization, format strings. Carry over special column types, calculated, inferred, etc. Measures and KPIs. Original measures are copied with lineage tags. If KPIs exist, derive measure creates a ratio or derived formula. Status measure generates nested if logic for thresholds. Relationships. Rebuilt between tables, from table, to table. Keeps cross-filtering behavior if it existed. Conversion process flow. Think of it like a factory line. Load source model. Reads BIM JSON. Extracts tables, columns, measures, data sources. Upgrade model structure. Sets compatibility levels 1550. Adds Power BI specific annotations, dev mode, PBI desktop version, etc. Rebuild tables. Each table is recreated with fresh lineage tags. Partitions are either calculated, keep as is. Import, build new M expressions for SQL, Excel, CSV. Rebuild columns. Copies metadata, name, data type, summarized by. Marks calculated columns with expressions. Rebuild measures. Original measures kept. If KPI exists, generate derive plus status measures. Rebuild relationships. Preserves relationship definitions. Ensures they align with upgraded tables. Save new model. Writes the output into model.bim inside the .pbip folder. Keeps original safe by copying source folder to a time-stamped backup.